Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into beauty and makeup trends every girl should try this year. Get ready to update your look and discover new techniques. First, the clean girl aesthetic. This trend focuses on a fresh, natural look. Opt for lightweight foundation or tinted moisturizers, and minimal makeup. Think dewy skin, blush, and subtle lip gloss. It's all about enhancing your natural beauty. Start with a good skincare routine. Use a hydrating primer, and apply foundation or concealer where needed. Cream blush in a rosy or peach tone. Adds a healthy flush, and clear or nude lip gloss completes the look. Perfect for everyday wear, and a great starting point for beginners. Next, the graphic liner trend. Get creative and experiment with eyeliner. Instead of a classic wing, try bold shapes, floating liner, or colorful lines. Express your personality and add color to your makeup. Use colorful eyeliners like blues, greens, or purples. Experiment with shapes, such as a double wing, a cut crease with eyeliner, or graphic shapes in the inner corner of your eyes. Another trend, blush placement. Experimenting with placement can transform your look. Try applying blush higher on your cheekbones for a lifted effect, across the bridge of your nose for a sun-kissed look, or on your eyelids for a monochromatic style. This adds a playful and youthful touch. Experiment with blush shades and placements to find what suits you. Bold brows are also a big trend. Whether you prefer a natural, fluffy brow or a more defined shape, the focus is on fuller brows. Use brow gel, pencils, or even mascara to enhance your brows. For lips, the overland lips trend continues. Use lip liner slightly outside your natural lip line to create the illusion of fuller lips. Pair this with your favorite lipstick or lip gloss. This technique is great for adding volume and definition. Choose a lip liner shade that matches your lipstick and blend well. Lastly, don't forget skincare. Good skincare is the foundation of any great makeup look. Focus on cleansing, moisturizing, and using sunscreen. Regular exfoliation and serums can also make a big difference. Healthy skin equals beautiful makeup. So there you have it. Some of the top beauty and makeup trends every girl should try. Remember, makeup is about having fun and expressing yourself. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.